Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should start by closing Visual Studio Code and making a quick backup so nothing is lost. First, quit the app and check Task Manager or Activity Monitor to stop any lingering code processes. This avoids file locks. Next, export your extensions with code list extensions to a text file so you can reinstall later. Finally, copy your user settings and key bindings files from the profile folder. Once you remove the app, those files may be gone, so save them to a safe location. Now remove the application itself and all associated folders. Use the standard uninstaller, Windows add/remove programs, macOS drag to trash or homebrew uninstall, or apt/snap/dnf remove on Linux. Once the app is gone, delete the app data and config folders. On Windows, remove %app data %bic/code and %local app data %bic/programs \Microsoft VS Code. On Mac OS, remove ~library/application support/code, and on Linux, remove ~. Config finish by cleaning system records and verifying removal. On Windows, optionally inspect the registry for code or Microsoft VS Code entries and delete them only if comfortable. This removes installers or protocol handlers. Reboot the machine to clear in-use handles, then test that the code command no longer launches. If you plan to reinstall, restore your saved settings and extensions after a fresh install. Troubleshooting tip: if files persist, reinstall the official installer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.